For 2,000 years, the history of human beings. It was the history of dream and the challenge of the world through the expedition and exploration. The 21st century of adventure and challenge. HJC is going ahead to the moment of myth creation, which conquests the world with a helmet. Founded in 1971, HJC, which has only made helmets for 30 years, and we built the helmet kingdom in the world. HJC formatting the Helmet Valley in Yongin. According to the overwhelming export materials continuously, HJC is trying to do its best on exporting with operating all factories and concentrating on the production. As a result, last year, 2000, HJC ranked the #1 in the world, occupying 15% market share. Now, the helmet of HJC is exported to 50 countries of 5 oceans and 6 continents. The HJC is growing more and more prosperous in sales. We are expecting over 100 billion Korean won in selling in the year 2001. HJC, which ranked $60 million in export last year, 2000, will export over $70 million this year. We are decorated for our distinguished services at the 37th day of trade. In 1997, HJC founded the local factory having 500 employees in Beijing. The helmet produced at the Beijing factory satisfies both the superior quality and price competitiveness. Furthermore, it plays an important advance base on the export. After HJC established the U.S. market in 1986, the market share of the North America was ranked #1, and we are keeping our #1 position for 10 years by the present. HJC established the U.S. branch office in 1987. This year, we set up the Europe branch office in France. According to the motorcycle industry of the U.S. Monthly Magazine, the helmet of HJC is currently the best-loved brand by customers in the North American market. HJC is trying to explore the abroad market with faithful attitude and the belief for our product. As a result, the HJC helmet is recognized as the best in the North American market. Helmet made of new technology and know-how of HJC is the fruit of advanced technology. Production of the helmet needs the manufacturing process and the 100-time stages from raw materials to the finished product. And it is impossible without the highly skillful technology and stockpiling know-how to the production of the helmet. 30 years of know-how, betting the outcome for the single item. HJC makes the best product on the basis of the safety and quality of the goods. Also, HJC developed the various helmet for the motorcycle, such as helmets for common, contest, and maintain according to request and taste of the customers. Especially Cymax is a system helmet developed to open and close easily and the representative model of HJC, not only in the North American market, but also in Europe. AC-10, the helmet for contest made of plastic, complex material of FRP, has the rear spoiler function, is making possible of the high-speed travel. CLX4 off-road mountainous helmet has refined design and splendid graphics. High standard technology, up-to-date sensibility. HJC is developing the helmet approved in the world. Here is the item laboratory of HJC. Without the strict safety test process of this laboratory, it is impossible to be seen the all products of HJC for the customer. Helmets made in HJC should pass the 30 kinds of quality and safety tests, such as durability test for the shock and adaptation test for the climate change, etc. The helmets pass all tests, is born to excellent and safe quality, has only grazing mark when the gun is fired. Production development team having 30 efficient staff. HJC is investing in the R&D over 10% of the selling price and is making possible to make the best product and high quality. Also, professional designers of HJC research continuously the up-to-date stream of the global design and understand the various use and the characteristic of the helmet. Therefore, they are developing the refined formative art and splendid and sense graphic item. Snowmobile running on the ice and snow. Snowmobile helmet of HJC is developed not to appear the steam when putting on and intercept the outer heat, because it is made of the double lens shield. Thoroughness of the HJC technician through 100 times experiment and many times test for each product make possible to pass the DOT, Snell standard of the US, and the industrial standard from Japan and European countries. It shows us that the safety of the HJC product and high quality confidence. HJC started the helmet business in 1971, and we advanced of HJC made goods into US markets in 1986. Then we established a factory in China in 1997. Our success story is continuing by now 2001. On the path, HJC walked 30 years. There were the ideology of the enterprise and management philosophy. HJC manages the children's room, which is the place to play within the company. It makes to work easy for housewife employees. HJC regards the human being preciously. The way to dialogue between CEO and employees is open anytime. The CEO regards the employee as his family, and the employee is working in the peaceful atmosphere. Even if Korea was in danger during the IMF bailout, HJC increased our effort to the overseas market. Furthermore, we enlarged the efficient staff. That makes the second step for the HJC.
우리 회사는 인화단결의 정신으로 노사가 하나 되어 작은 힘이 모여 큰 힘을 발휘하였으며 창의 개발 정신으로 타사 제품을 모방하지 않고 자사 브랜드로 독자적인 모델을 개발하여 세계 시장을 개척하였습니다. 앞으로 10년 후 오토바이 헬멧의 1위를 고수하고 5개 분야에서 세계 제1을 하기 위하여 인력과 연구 개발비에 1,000억을 투자하여 작지만 강한 기업으로 성장하겠습니다.
In the 21st century, the challenge and vision of HJC are to be the best in the world. Not only North America and Europe, but also any other region in the world would be the arena of the challenge and the takeoff to be cultivated by HJC. HJC is recognized the global enterprise by 30 years know-how. Only HJC, product competitiveness and aggressive overseas marketing. Now, the myth of HJC for the world conquest has been started and steps forward to the future.